Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to remove or change video background on TikTok videos updated. So for us to be able to begin, just make sure that TikTok is installed onto your device and you have the latest version of it. Now once you have installed that, just simply click on TikTok to proceed. Now, to go ahead and remove or change the video background of a post that you want to upload on TikTok, so here's how you could do it. So simply click onto the plus icon here onto the middle part to go ahead and shoot a video. So right after that, so you could choose to have the camera facing you or onto the back, or if you want to go ahead and film someone. Now, to go ahead and change the video background, so I'm currently filming someone right now, so you'll just have to click onto the filters or effects tab onto your device. So this is where you click onto that. So there are a lot of options in here. We have editing, interactive atmosphere, and many more. So the green screen effect or the green screen filter that I have in here is currently under trending. So you could find this specific filter in here, and if there is a search bar available onto your end, you could simply search green screen over there. So simply click onto that. And once you have added already the filter, it should go ahead and look something like this. So there is a pop-up here onto the bottom part wherein it gives you an option to go ahead and choose in the background that you want to use. So let's choose in another photo in here like this one. So as you can see, it did change the background with the photo that we have chosen. So for you to be able to start filming this, just simply click onto this red icon to proceed. And as you can see, we have successfully changed or removed the video background onto this TikTok video. And if you think that this has been helpful, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.